corn dogs, the thrill of the ride, exhibits, and giveaways, and of course, big techs. It wouldn't be the great Texas State Fair without them. So come on down, y'all, and let's have some fun. But there's something else, something that helps make the State Fair an event to remember. Signs, signs, and more signs, telling you where you are, what to see, and which way to go, and what's coming. And for the last 20 years, E.H Teasley has been behind the production and installation of much of the State Fair signage. From printed vinyl mesh banners, as well as both solid vinyl and fabric banners, to the new state-of-the-art products that can transform this into this. The unique ability of E.H Teasley and Company to combine great customer service with innovative products has been their signature for over 60 years. Now, with today's high-tech methods, new media, and application techniques, the only limit is your imagination. A unique product from 3M known as textured graphic film or rough wall graphics was incorporated into a brand new application this year. E.H Teasley tested the product in this new application for 9 months to ensure that it would meet all the rigors of temperature, wear, and time. The beauty of rough wall graphics is that it allows the application of the vinyl to any rough or textured surface without the need for any penetration of the substrate. And when it is time for removal, the graphic comes off cleanly. This is particularly important when the structures are of great historical significance like those in Fair Park, the majority of which were built for the Texas Centennial celebrations in 1936. The rough wall graphics have been used in several locations around the fair. However, the most prominent use was to transform the exterior of the Food and Fiber Pavilion as well as the Poultry Pavilion into a wine garden patio, promoting Texas vineyards. The patio is located off one of the busiest thoroughfares in the park.
These stucco walls at the State Fair of Texas offered us a perfect opportunity to utilize 3M's rough wall graphic system. When heated, this system allows the vinyl to conform to the irregularities of the wall, giving it a painted-on look. What started out as an ordinary blank wall was transformed into the look and feel of a vineyard, giving fairgoers a completely different atmosphere. The beauty of the system is that after the State Fair, the graphics are moved cleanly with no damage to the building.
Another featured use was to create a garden rest area in a little used section of the park behind the carousel. The vinyl was applied to a cinder block building, transforming the area into a comfortable family environment. Finally, 256 planters were transformed from their original pebbled aggregate containers to impressions of galvanized metal, as well as different patterns of mosaic tiles. These will be a permanent addition to the park's decor. The 3M graphics will allow quick, easy, and non-destructive replacement of the vinyl as the themes of the event change. E.H Teasley's creative use of rough wall graphics at the State Fair has earned them a place in the top 25 finalists of 3M's Wrap a Rough Wall contest. Printed vinyl mesh banners are widely used at the State Fair of Texas. The mesh has a distinct advantage over solid vinyl banners while maintaining vibrant colors and design flexibility that wind resistance is reduced, therefore relieving the stress on the mounting hardware and building structure. Vinyl mesh banners can be produced in a variety of sizes, including those adorning the front and sides of the Cotton Bowl Stadium and the Coliseum. Because of the medium's flexibility and light weight, the banners can be installed and removed with a minimum building penetration, reducing damage to the mounting surfaces. Not to be forgotten, traditional heavy vinyl media can also be used as awnings in a variety of sizes and shapes. For this year, new light pole banners were created. These banners are on poles both inside of the park as well as on the streets surrounding the State Fair. They are clearly visible to visitors and passers-by alike. To allow for longevity, event date information was produced on a separate banner and fixed to the bottom of each of the larger pieces. A simple bracket attachment system was manufactured by E.H Teasley to allow for easy installation and removal at the conclusion of the fair. So as the signs, the banners, the awnings are all removed and stored away until next year's State Fair, the last of the rough wall graphics is peeled away. Planning for next year is already begun. And Big Tex? Well, he's taking a well-earned rest.